Hello fellow YouTube MacGyvers. As a follow-up to my previous video regarding the pulse code generator to get the MC2100 working, this was the one that we used in the previous video, and it did the job, but another YouTuber recommended a possible upgrade, so I switched over to this model that has a rotary knob for adjusting the duty percentage, but also has an on-off button. And what that allows you to do is to keep the unit at a set speed without having to reset it back to 0 all the time, like we had to do with the previous unit. So now when you've got it dialed into a specific duty percentage, RPM, that you want, you simply use the on and off button that's on the switch, and that will allow it to stop and to start right back up to the same RPM that you had it set to previously. So I hit the on button, the unit starts to flash, and our motor starts to go. And I was having problems with the higher RPMs with the previous unit, but I discovered the problem wasn't with the pulse code generator. The problem was this resistor was loose on the board, so I've secured it with a little bit of solder, and now we can crank this sucker up to, you know, safely within the 7100 RPM limit that the motor is rated for. But it works fantastic. Just turn the rotary knob, and you can adjust the speed on the motor as it goes up here. And like I said, the beauty of it is, once you've got it at a certain RPM, you can just trying to do this holding the phone. You can just turn it off. It says off, and it'll slow down and stop. I'll help it along there. It'll slow down and stop, and now when you go to restart it, turns back on, and it'll rev right back up to the same RPM that you had it set to before. So hopefully you guys will find this video handy. The wiring is pretty straightforward, same as the last one. We've got the blue wire going to the board is the pulse code wire. The black wire with the white on this particular board is a ground wire. The red wire is the voltage 12 volt positive, and the black wire is the 12 volt negative, and those are the wires that you snip off on the MC2100 itself. Anyway, hope that helps. Take care.